Is hiding a bank account really the same as cheating? You might think it's harmless, just some privacy, some autonomy. Psychologists say otherwise. Financial secrecy activates the same trust-based wiring as emotional or physical infidelity. It's not about the money itself, it's about the deception required to hide it. Every hidden purchase, every secret account requires an ongoing choice to conceal, which is exactly what makes it corrosive. In 2026, digital banking makes this easier than ever. A hidden app, a separate card, a notification silenced. But easier to hide doesn't mean less damaging. If anything, the ease makes it more tempting to normalize. Relationships aren't just built on love, they're built on predictability. Your brain needs to trust that the story you're being told matches reality. When financial secrecy is discovered, it doesn't just reveal the debt or the purchase. It reveals that an entire parallel narrative was being maintained, sometimes for months or years. That's what breaks trust, not the number on the receipt, but the realization that reality itself was edited. Often, financial secrecy isn't really about greed. It's about autonomy, a private space where someone doesn't have to explain, justify, or ask permission. But partnership requires transparency exactly where autonomy wants privacy. That tension is real, and pretending it doesn't exist is usually what leads to hiding instead of communicating. The fix isn't full financial merging or zero privacy, it's honesty about what exists. A relationship can survive different spending habits. It rarely survives discovering the habits were hidden. If this resonated, subscribe to MindWhy. Every week, we break down the psychology behind trust, money, and relationships.